Binaka. I'm Hefrani Simone Barnes and I am a local artist from Fiji, and I am here in Hawaii, Honolulu, showcasing my two artworks, Bleached and Blue. This painting is a mixed medium, oil used by oil paint, acrylic paint, also masi, known as tapa, and some recycled materials. So my future plans is to inspire and motivate many talented young Fijian artists and to show that art is important.
My name is Josua Toganivalu. I'm a local artist based in Suva, Fiji. I'm here today representing Fiji at the Pacific Arts Festival and in the print making category. I chose the print making category because it was a new form or a new medium of art form in Fiji. Not people do this kind of art in Fiji, so it was kind of unique and still new. So I'm very pleased to be showcasing this art form from Fiji here. What I hope to achieve is that to encourage us local artists that anything is possible in whatever you want to achieve as an artist, whatever dreams or ambitions that you have, that nothing is impossible if you put your heart, mind and soul to it. I'm really having a great time here at the Pacific Arts Festival, meeting up with all the other artists from around the Pacific. Some of these artists, I just see them online. I follow their pages, their social media pages, and just meeting them in person is like a big bonus. So it's you can say like the excitement, is another level.